Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will talk about looping statements in C++. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Looping statements in C++. In C++, there are several looping statements that you can use to repeat a block of code multiple times. The most commonly used looping statements are, actually guys, there are three looping statements in C++, the for loop, the while loop, and then the do while. The first one is the for loop. The for loop allows you to specify an initialization expression, condition, and increment or decrement expression, all in a single line. We have here the syntax of a for loop as follows. So here, initial value we declare, and then condition. If the condition is true, we have two options, whether we want to increment the value or to decrement. Okay, so we have here the example on how to print a series of number from 1 to 5 using for loop statement in C++. For int I, we start with one value. Actually in C and C++, we don't start with 1 rather than 0. We start with 0, but in this case we start with 1. This is the initial value, I less than or equal to 5. So increment, it will display a series of number from 1 to 5 here, and then we close here our for loop statement. The second type of looping statement is the while loop. The while loop repeatedly executes a block of code as long as the specified condition is true. The syntax of a while loop is as follows: while condition, and then it will execute here. So is the example of while loop statement that print 1 to 5. No? So here we have initial value of 1 in our variable I, which has an integer data type, while I less than or equal to 5, we display the result increment. One tip that I would like to share you guys is that in declaring a looping statement in C or C++ or even in Java, C#, we are not allowed to use a data type of float, double. It is always using int or integer, because looping statement requires whole number. Okay, that are the things that I've learned through the years of teaching and writing code in C++. So the last looping statement is the do while loop. The do while loop is similar to while loop, but the condition is checked at the end of the loop. This guarantees that the loop body is executed at least once. The syntax of a do while loop is as follows. So we have here the syntax, and then a sample code to print 1 to 5. So we have here the initial value of 1, do display increment while less than 5. These are the three main looping statements in C++. Each of them has its own use cases depending on the requirements of your program. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report and presentation on looping statements in C++. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.